In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to draw a landscape. The link is somewhere here. In this one, I am going to show you how to turn that drawing into a whimsical nightly landscape with watercolors. The techniques I'm going to use are wet on wet, flat wash, gradient, pointillism, and layering. Enjoy! To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below. That way, you will be the first to know when I publish a new video. And there are lots of them to come on a regular basis.